Yeah, hey guys, I'll show you when I'll get it in a minute. Hold on. Oh guys, got it to flip out. But it didn't really do anything that time. Guys, I got it again. And it kind of flipped out. It almost did. Guys, it flips out again, but doesn't flip around. Guys, since there's only 2 minutes left, this has to be the one. And it is. Okay, well, since I got this one, I'll show you what happens. Commander keys will flip out of the Pelican when it's upside down. Hold on. As you can see, Commander keys just pop right out, and Pelican falls through the ground. Where does the Pelican go? That's a good question, because I need to know myself. Alright. Pelican will still go, and go, and go, and go. All the way to the ground floor. Right through the ground. And as you can see, I got a Marine out. And I was looking for Miranda keys. And had no idea where she went. I could search for her without walking. I think she might have died. Well, not died, but because she's invincible. I think I got it this time. This time, I think I actually got it. Yep, Pelican flipped out. Flipped out big time. No. This time I got it then. No. Wonder what happened. No, I had that. Hold on. I'll show you when I get her. Actually get her. Alright, well, I guess that was the only time I got her then. This is her out of her Pelican. See how you can swap weapons with her? Well, she doesn't hold weapons completely right. Her arm is off her... her hand is off her arm. She only holds the pistol correctly. Hold on. As you can see, they recharge much faster. See, her arm is like deformed. Okay, peace out, like subscribe.